prom makeup tutorial. It's gonna be like easy, it's gonna be simple, it's not gonna be like bavoom glam, but it's gonna be something that you look at and be like, ooh, I want to recreate that, you know? Okay, we're gonna do that. Wow, take off the glasses. We're going to start with this. This stuff is good. I don't know if it does anything, but I like to think it does, so I do it anyways. And it feels good and it smells good, so why not? This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Also, it came like already like used, so but we're not doing anything about that today. Doing a little. I don't know if that's too much. We're gonna do the Naked Basics, Naked 2 Basics palette, same thing. This is the Essence Precise Eyeliner. It's really tiny, but we like it. Okay, we're gonna actually. Why can't I do anything? I don't know. We're gonna brush up, and then I had to cut these because these are like grandpa brows. Seriously, my grandpa. I'll just speed through this because nobody wants to see me do my eyebrows. We're gonna set that with the Essence. Oh, I'm really loving Essence, except I only own like 3 things from them. The brow thing, the blue one, this thing. Okay, brows are on. We're gonna prime with the Ulta Full Coverage Concealer, this one. It's way too dark for regular concealer, so I just use it as a primer. Hashtag pale people problems. Us pale people need to stick together. Hello? We're gonna use the Carly Bible palette. This palette is so yummy. Okay. And dip it into the lightest one. And set the concealer just so now I've got one eye done. I'm not too good with lashes, but they're good enough. This is one eye. It's very rosy. We're gonna go with this color. They don't have names, so don't blame me. We're just gonna put this in here. Just watch what I do, not what I say, because I'm not too good at this. And don't go too much through here, because I've had experiences where I blend too much right here, not necessarily in the inner corner, but up here, and it looks not good. So just follow my advice. We're gonna take this color, I love this color so much, and put that closer down here. Okay, so mistake, this brush had red on it, probably not a good idea. Okay, let's tone that down, my bad. You live and you learn, people. We're gonna clean up underneath the brow, so it's okay to go a little cray cray. Mauve color right there. And then I cut the crease with this concealer. Shoot! I just ruined the whole cut crease because of my stupid little trimmer. Take burgundy. Love this color too. I just love this whole palette, you know? And then we're gonna blend the lines. So the outer proportion, you know. Wet n Wild flat brush, and go in with this color and just pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna go back with the dark shade and just blend the edges again. And then I went back in with this shade. We're gonna go back in, blah, 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 with the lighter ones, the lighter shades, and just go over that and blend. So I'm gonna put mascara on now to like blend them or whatnot. Okay, so we are finally moving on. We're gonna spray again. We're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and then mix it with my white foundation because this is too dark. It's just too dark. Where are we from? Very glowy, but also still a little red right here. So we're gonna fix that with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly, the lightest shade they own, and it's still a little too dark. But you know what? It's okay. I'm just doing a little because I don't like a lot. We're using the NYC. I need some more of this. The NYC loose powder. So we're going to do a little bit of bronzing, contouring, same thing. We're going to take the butter bronzer and light bronzer. Something like that. We're going to go in with this e.l.f. contour brush. And don't go too far out because I made that mistake and then it like covers, when you blend it out, covers your entire cheek. We don't want that. We're going to blend up. That's too harsh. We gotta fix that. I'm gonna take this little brush and blend it up. Better. And then with that, we're gonna go with a small brush. We're going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette and use the light shade to go underneath. I need a little help. And then we're all contoured and bronzed and goodness. Okay, so now we're doing highlight. For highlight, we're going to do since it's prom night, we're going to do something a little extra. We're gonna go in with this e.l.f. highlight in Moonlight Pearls. This is great, but all you have to do, it doesn't really work just when you like buy it. You have to like scrape off the top and then look. Yeah. James Charles does that. We're going to take the Carly Bible palette again. We're going to go underneath the lash line. We're going to do it, the little light ones. And then go underneath. We're going to go with the dark burgundy right there. And then on just the outer part. And we're just going to connect the under with the upper. Yeah, good words, Hannah. And then we're gonna spritz ourselves with the NYX Dewy spray because you want this stuff to last all night long. And we're gonna go with this because I like the smell of it. Okay, and then the final step is lips. And I'm not going to do hair or anything because this is just a prom makeup tutorial. Hello. Okay, we're gonna go in with my favorite lip of all time. This is the best nude ever for pale people, or just in general. It's the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick in Slay. Because you know what we're doing tonight. You could go in with like a bold lip, but I don't want to. This is the final makeup look. And this lash is coming off. I know. Alrighty, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a little spur of the moment video that I wanted to make just in case you guys, oh, this is not blended out. We have to fix that. Oh. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe. You know what to do down below. Yeah, just do it. Look at that nose highlight. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.